Jane Cuthbert, and I'm here in Oak Bay, and listen up, because Oak Bay is about to teach you something.
Over the course of the years that we've been running the gallery, one of the biggest dilemmas that a lot of people have when they arrive at a gallery or want to approach a gallery is not realizing what they're actually looking for in terms of the type of art. Generally speaking, there's 4 or 5 different types of art or categories of art, and they all have a different purpose in your house. The first type, and probably the most common type that people look at, are landscapes. So landscapes are paintings of scenes, of cityscapes, of skyscapes, of buildingscapes, and those are generally the pieces that are the first pieces that somebody acquires in their collection because they're easy to participate with. The second type of art that a lot of people are drawn to are abstracts, and abstracts are generally pieces of work that aren't necessarily identifiable. In other words, there's a lot of interpretation involved in terms of what is the piece, what is it doing. Some abstracts, in fact, aren't even signed on the front. And so when they are a rectangular piece or a square piece, you can actually switch your abstracts around. So your abstract doesn't have to hang in one direction. So the third type of art that a lot of people gravitate towards and they're not even aware of are pieces of art that we call figurative. In other words, art that has a figure, a face, a person, something that's identifiable as a person. And figurative pieces are interesting pieces in the sense that they add personality or they add company to your home. The fourth type of art that a lot of people gravitate towards are still life pieces. So these would be pieces that are often flowers or objects. And these are pieces that generally become the accent pieces, the pieces that provide a reality, realism to your collection. So by rounding out your landscapes, your abstracts, your figurative pieces, and your still life works, you can come into a gallery and say, you know, what am I really looking for? What type of piece am I looking for?